Hey, welcome back to That's Right Recycling. Today we got a Drill Master hand orbit sander. And nope, it don't work. It no longer works. None of these power tools that I've come across do not work. I unplugged them all in. Well, all the ones that look decent enough to plug in and reuse. A lot of them are just far gone. Outdated, no reverse. No. Some of the older pancake drills. Some mud daubers in here. Come on out, mud dauber. Well, they're already gone. I don't know if I got that screw or not. I think so. No more mud daubers. Good. Okay. Hopefully I got that screw out of there. Can't tell. Pry it apart. Trim some wires. Oh, goodness me. All right. Get this little bit. Gotta make sure I have clean plastic now. Yeah, clean plastic. Trash. Power cord. Alright. Feels like I didn't get that one screw out of there. Well, don't know what to do. She just spins and spins. Well, only one is this out, and my brushes are holding it up. Can't pop these brushes out of my way. There we go. Now that comes off, beautiful. Now, oh, duh, I forgot about the bottom. What holds the pad on? Screws. Wow. I did get them. Good deal. No need throwing them away. Well, that was easy peasy. One screw and it fell right off. Well, there ain't enough metal on there to get excited about, so we'll throw that in the shred. Now, this is an easy. Well, I need the grinder for this, or a sawzall. Knock that clean off right there, or I just leave it like it is. I can throw this right in as motors, because I normally don't really break these small ones down. This is a different story. This is easy, but I still need a vise. If I remember correctly, put that in a vise and it'll pry up and that'll fall down. I can't do that here today on this video. Sorry about that. But I'm just trimming these. Some people believe that they have silver in them. And I'm gonna forget, like I did earlier, brushes. Even though they're a type of ferrite. That's normally what you see. But I'll hang on to them. We got a little bit of brass. Shred. pull that brass off of there. And a nothing board. Easy. Clean that up. Gonna go flying. Some clean brass, because my yard's not that picky. Shred. Oh, forgot. Shred's in a different location because I pulled some totes out today. Of course, no stick. Gonna be dirty brass. Connector ends. Just a little bit of wire. Got a switch here, which, ow, sorry about that. I just crack it open, hopefully, without taking my fingers out. Come on now. And papers. Let's go this way. I got my finger the other day, so I've been kind of reserved. Maybe we'll pop this off and see if something happens. I doubt it. Well, poops. It's in there. Just gotta figure out how to break it open. Got a piece of brass out of it. Oh, there we go. It's a rocker. There it is. That little bitty silver button. Tactical silver. Silver plated. I don't know. I keep it with the rest of them. There's my dirty brass. Clean piece of brass. Another clean piece of brass. Some plastic. If you made it this far in the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. God bless. Take care.